everyone. This is Jeremy riding my dirt bike, okay? Jeremy riding a dirt bike, okay? My dirt bike. Sorry if that's quoting, he might put it under something different. Once again, this is Jeremy and Chris Shows. Magic Knights disappeared! Woo! No, I'm just kidding. He saw the dirt bike, he made it stop. What an inexperienced person. Post a comment now. Post a comment now. Add this to favorites. Send it to somebody. Do something. Hopefully post a comment. Seriously, guys, post a comment. I'm tired of you guys not posting comments. And you know what? If you tell somebody that's out of this state or other people, please tell them. We need the publicity. We've had like 27 people watch our shows, and you know that's kind of lame. Come on, people, help us out. Help us out. Once again, Chris and Jeremy Shows. Oh crap, the battery's low. I'll push the key still, right? So far, this has been 2 minutes now. He went up the jump the wrong way. Suzuki. It's been a product of Jeremy and Chris Shows. And it's still recording.